Hello friends, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Mendo. In this video we will see Bootstrap media queries, like what is a media query does in Bootstrap, and what is the role it will play, and how we will use it, and I will show you with an examples. And also in our previous videos I explained you how to install Visual Studio, and introduction of the Bootstrap, and also the grid system in the Bootstrap. In this video we will see a few examples on media queries. So media queries are nothing but styles, like which will handle to show like your web application in your extra small devices, that is called phones, and which are less than 768 pixel devices, and small devices, medium devices, and large devices. So in my previous video I explained you what all the devices, how we handle the devices bits using grid systems. So please go to that video before watching this, so that you will have a clear idea how we will work on this. So the media query is also divided into the 4 devices. So it's a very small devices, and small devices, and medium, and large. So for very small we use XS notation, and small SM, and medium MD, and large LG. So I will explain you with a small example how this media query will work. So first of all, let's open our Visual Studio, and here I explain you how to play around with the grid system previously. Let's create another page. Let's call it as Bootstrap Media. I don't need master page, so I won't select that and click OK. And a new page is added in this page. So let's add our Bootstrap styles from this our previous page. So just copy the HTML which has metadata, and the CSS, and 2 scripts, jQuery, and our Bootstrap JS. So in this I will add our main class container. This is our initial, like the template which I explained you in the previous. So that the container will have width of it will use like margin 0 pixels auto, like it will be center of your center of your screen. Whatever you write here, hello world, it stays in the center, means it will have some space in the left side, it will leave some space in the left side and the right side, so it will stay in the middle. So once it run, you will see that. So maybe I need to use another one. Bootstrap media. Stop. I'll keep Bootstrap media as start page and run the application. Now you will see hello world. So there is a space on the left side and right side, it's a leave and left, and it will be in the center. So I'll keep some border color for the container. I'll add a style name pg. When you refresh, the the uh, border of the container is some cream color. So on the left and right side you see the space. So this is what I want to show you, like now I'll give the BG as minimum height, so 900, so that for our example it will be good way, so that whenever I minimize it, you see that it is completely covered, because when you go to the smaller devices, it should take the the predefined by Bootstrap, whatever the width it has been given, it will take automatically. So for suppose if you want to if you want to change the predefined width of the container, and if you want to give some other width, now the media query comes into the play. So once I will go to the design and see how what is the container default container took. So the default container, it is taken like 1170 pixels in the is our minimum, like the predefined bootstrap thing, and the and also 970 and 750 continue. So in this small in this container, what I will note it down the values here, so that it will be easy. So what it has been written is like minimum width 1200 pixel is having 1170 pixel, and min width 992 having 970. Okay, and minimum width of 768. Has 750. Okay, this is what we have. They are predefined in Bootstrap. So let's go and manipulate them. So what I will do, I will add this here. So for reference, we will have them here. So what I will do for 1200, what I will do, I will make it very smaller, more smaller than 1170. Let's make it 900. Okay, and see how it looks. So I will say media and max, sorry, caps, main width, let's keep bracket here, main width, let's say 1200 pixel. Let's take the container, let's copy the container here and say width 900 pixel. So when you go to your design page and just refresh it, now you see the width automatically changed. So now when you go to your source and you see there is a width 900 is specified in our page, so it automatically taken 900. If I remove that 900, it changes to 1170. So that is our default bootstrap given. So when you go further and just copy this into 2 times and take this 992 and 768 into the picture, and let's say I'll make 700 and 500. Sorry, 500. And if you go and refresh your page, it stays like what is currently now. Let's see, it's minimum 992 and 900 700. So what is the current width? Let's see. So here the current width, the minimum 768 is taken. So in this case, what I will do, I will use here, I should not say this one, I should say max width to play on the smaller device and bigger device. In this case, I'll say max width as well. So here now it will take the 1161, the 1170, because what I said, the maximum of the screen should be this much. Like currently it's more than 1200, I mean more than 1200. So more than not more than 1200, maybe it's uh, it's it's more than 1200, so it's taking 1170. Now here let's see, if you want to have a different color, suppose, that way we can easily understand, we can easily catch the difference. Now I'll refresh it, and if you go smaller, the colors keeps changing. That's what my intention is. Now if you see our starting thing, you see there is a line which says the min and max. So that's what that we can play around with the end class, with using the same class. We can add two media queries. So in this case, what we experience the max width, and we need a minimum width. And so I will copy one example, one more, which is like greater than 1200 here. This is minimum width. I'll make this as 1180 and red. So here minimum width, what I will take is minimum width 992 or 993 and 1200 to match the below one, and here the minimum width will be 769, and the max width, the below will be the same. So when you go to our regular page and just refresh it, and you will see the red, because this the body of this is bigger. Okay, because suppose if you want to see the width of the existing window, this is our 1555. If you come little smaller and select the body, it's 1180. So the 1180, so width it's taken 1180 here. Now if you go more, if some more smaller, let's see, and the width of the body complete document is now currently is 1137. So 1137 will end up in this second one, and that's why you will see, you are seeing aqua. So for that, for the more for the more example way, in the Google Chrome you will have a developer tools, and here just go mobile version and close this one. Sorry, F12 mobile. Just minimize this one and copy this one to your Google Chrome. Here you are seeing the actual the chocolate, because the width, the maximum width is 768. So below 768 width, you will see 69. If I say 69, it will come to the burly wood color. So in this case, if you say 768, now it goes to chocolate mode, chocolate color again. So that's what I want to show. So the media will act in our bootstrap is the main role also. So this way, like if you want to play 9 or 1000, if you give 1000 here, the width, it takes aqua. And if you go more than 1200, in this case let's say 1210, so it comes red. So that way the whatever the width of your device, you are modifying the predefined bootstrap styles. So that way, um, like you can interchange, or you can play with all the controls in your web application. So if you want to play with the text box to show different way in the different devices, you can use the bootstrap media queries to modify them as shown in these examples. So in my coming tutorial videos, we will see more examples and more real-time scenarios using this media queries. Keep watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.